Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Is this a window? Yes, this is a window. Is this a cell phone? Yes, this is a cell phone. Is this a tablet? Yes, this is a tablet. Is this a laptop? Yes, this is a laptop. Is this a floor? Yes, this is a floor. Is this a ceiling? Yes, this is a ceiling. Is this a cell phone or a tablet? This is a cell phone. Is this a tablet or a laptop? This is a laptop. Is this a floor or a ceiling? This is a floor. Is this a chair or a table? This is a chair. Is this a door or a window? This is a door. Is this a book or a tablet? This is a tablet. Is this a door or a laptop? This is a door. Is this a window or a chair? This is a chair. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a door. What is this? This is a chair. What is that? That is a window. Is that a window or a door? That is a door. Is this a book or a cell phone? This is a cell phone. Is this a cell phone or a laptop? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a tablet. What is that? That is a table. To make a negative sentence, we use is not. This is not a table. Repeat. This is not a table. This is not a door. Repeat. This is not a door. This is not a ceiling. Repeat. This is not a ceiling. Okay? Now let's practice. Is not. Is not. No. No. Wall. Wall. Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is that a book? No, that is not a book. That is a door. Is that a window? No, that is not a window. That is a floor. Is that a floor? No, that is not a floor. That is a wall. Is this a wall? No, this is not a wall. This is a ceiling. Is that a laptop? No, that is not a laptop. That is a cell phone. What is this? This is a floor. What is that? That is a ceiling. Is that a ceiling or a window? That is a window. Is this a wall or a laptop? This is a wall.